Hi there, and today we're going to learn about how to use Monday.com for real estate. So Monday.com is a project management tool useful for managing large projects in one place. So using Monday.com, you can create your own template for using it for real estate, or an alternative way, you can use the templates that Monday.com has so that you already have like a basis in how you would manage your real estate properties. So in order to do that, we just need to click on this plus icon right here, and then we just need to click on Template Center. So from here, we just need to type in real estate, and then we will select this one, the real estate CRM. So we will use this, and then we will use that template to manage your own real estate properties or projects. So let's just wait for it to finish. Now that it's done creating the template, we can now see our real estate CRM right here. As you can see, we are in the contacts board, and then we have our clients right here along with their example email, and then their phones, and then their properties. And then you can also change their type of contact, if they are a lead, if they are a buyer or a tenant or a partner, a realtor agent, and so on and so forth. So it just depends on your needs and how you will edit this client section right here. Then you can also choose like when did they sign the contract, what type of property did they have, a building, apartment unit, or a house. And then you can also have some notes right here. And then you can also open their own contact by clicking on this one, the open contact page. And then from here, you can use the other features right here. So for example, the related property, related task. So we'll just wait for them to load, and then you can edit their contact info right here. So it's just the same with this one, just that you can edit it in more detail. And then for example, you can input their related property right here, and then their address of the property, price, square foot, bedrooms, bathrooms, and so on and so forth, so that you can have a one view of what the details of their property are. And then for tasks right here, it doesn't have any, but you can add your own tasks right here if you want to have them here, if you need to do a task for that specific contact. And then for this one, I'm using the free version so that I don't have this yet. But if you are using the paid version of Monday.com, you will be able to use this one in order to take notes and then send emails to your clients inside of here in Monday.com, so that you don't need to go to another website. And then closing this, we can also go to properties right here, so that you have a list of your own properties. We have the property 1, 2, 3, so you can just edit their names according to your own properties. Then again, you can change the property type, and then the contract type if it is buy or rent. And then you can also insert the picture of your contract right here. For example, this one, the purchase agreement, it already has templates for you to use. You just need to change its specific details right here. So we have the address, the price, the square foot, the price per square foot, and all of the things related to that specific property. And then we also have tasks right here. So if you have a task that you need to do to a specific contact, so for example, if you want to change the name, so talk to client 1 about the contracts, for example, like that. And then just go ahead and change the status. I'm sorry, I didn't save it. For example, like this. And then just click out, and then if you want to change the owner, the status, click on done, and then so on and so forth. So you just need to edit the specific details right here to tailor it to your needs for your real estate. And then you also have here the copies of your transactions so that you have all of your list of transactions with your clients. Then you can also add the price and commission and so on and so forth. And then you can also have the dashboard right here to have a summary of your own real estate management of your properties. For example, we have the gallery, we have the team performance, the monthly deals, conversion funnel, and then your value, the open transactions, and then so on and so forth. And that is it. That is how we use Monday.com for real estate. Hope you learn how to do it, and thank you for watching.